Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA error code 0. The error reads, "A network error occurred." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes in the middle of a battle. Many users have shared that they get kicked out of the match with this error, and then the game gets stuck on an infinite loading screen at the title screen. Some players also shared that the error appears just when they are about to win, and it returns them to the title screen, where they have to wait until the match is over. According to our research, the error is most likely caused when another player leaves the match. It appears to be a system issue that affects the entire lobby, causing everyone to get kicked and resulting in a win or loss by timeout. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to wait for around 15 minutes. Based on user feedback, this error usually happens when a player disconnects during the match. So waiting for a few minutes may allow the system to recover, and you may be able to re-enter the game. If the error still comes, then refer to x.com DB Squadra and check if there are any recent updates or announcements related to server issues or maintenance. Also, make sure that your game is up to date with its latest version. If there is an update, install it. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.